Good day, the coverage topic for this video is all about creation, division, merger, abolition, and conversion of LGUs. That topic can be found in the LTOM 2nd edition, Chapter 1 Section 2 that is part of the exam coverage particularly in the topic of management of local treasury services. Number 1. What are the three verifiable indicators of viability and projected capacity for LGU creation or conversion? A. Income, population, and land area. B. Education level, cultural heritage, and income. C. Population, environmental sustainability, and land area. D. Population, income, and environmental sustainability. Answer, letter A, income, population, and land area. These three factors must meet the prescribed requirements for an LGU to be created or converted to a higher level. Number 2, who attests to the compliance with income, population, and land area requirements of the creation and conversion of LGUs? A. Department of Finance, National Statistics Office, and Land Management Bureau. B. Department of Agriculture, National Economic and Development Authority, and Department of the Interior and Local Government. C. Commission on Audit, Department of Budget and Management, and Department of Trade and Industry. D. None of the above. Answer, letter A, Department of Finance, National Statistics Office, and Land Management Bureau. These agencies are responsible for verifying compliance with the requirements for LGU creation or conversion. Number 3, when does the plebiscite for LGU creation, division, merger, abolition, or boundary alteration take place? A. Within 90 days from the date of effectivity of the law, or ordinance. B. Within 180 days from the date of effectivity of the law, or ordinance. C. Within 120 days from the date of effectivity of the law, or ordinance. D. None of the above. Answer, letter C, within 120 days from the date of effectivity of the law or ordinance. The plebiscite is conducted by the Commission on Elections and must be approved by a majority of votes cast in the political unit or units directly affected. Number 4, which government body has the power to create or alter an LGU's boundaries? A. Department of Finance. B. Supreme Court. C. Congress. D. Land Management Bureau. Answer, letter C, Congress has the power to create, divide, merge, abolish, or substantially alter the boundaries of an LGU by law. Number 5, what is the requirement for a plebiscite to approve the creation, division, merger, abolition, or substantial alteration of boundaries of LGUs? A. A majority vote of the affected LGUs. B. Approval of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. C. Approval of the President of the Philippines. D. A majority vote of the political unit or units directly affected. Answer, letter D. No creation, division, merger, abolition, or substantial alteration of boundaries of LGUs shall take effect unless approved by a majority of the votes cast in a plebiscite called for the purpose in the political unit or units directly affected. Number 6, What is the minimum population required for creating a highly urbanized city? A. 100,000 inhabitants. B. 150,000 inhabitants. C. 200,000 inhabitants. D. 250,000 inhabitants. Answer, letter C, 200,000 inhabitants. This answer is based on the second requisite for creating a highly urbanized city, as stated in the LTOM. Number 7. What is the minimum territory required for creating a city type of LGU? A. 50 square kilometer. B. 75 square kilometer. C. 100 square kilometer. D. 150 square kilometer. Answer, letter C, 100 square kilometer. This answer is based on the second requisite for creating a city type of LGU. Number 8, what is the minimum required population for the creation of a province? A. 150,000 inhabitants. B. 200,000 inhabitants. C. 250,000 inhabitants. D. 300,000 inhabitants. Answer, letter C, the minimum required population for the creation of a province is not less than 250,000 inhabitants as certified by the NSO, now known as the PSA. Number 9, who has the authority to create, divide, merge, abolish, or substantially alter the boundaries of municipalities or barangays in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region? A. The national government. B. The Bangsamoro government. C. The Land Management Bureau. D. The President of the Philippines. Answer, letter C, the LTOM states that the authority of the Bangsamoro government to regulate the affairs of its constituent LGUs shall be guaranteed in accordance with the organic law and a Bangsamoro local government code to be enacted by the Parliament. The Parliament may create, divide, merge, abolish, or substantially alter boundaries of municipalities or barangays in accordance with a law enacted by the Parliament. Number 10. What are the minimum requirements for the division and merger of existing LGUs, as stated in the Local Government Code? A. Compliance with the same requirements for creation, with no reduction in income, population, or land area of the LGUs concerned to less than minimum requirements prescribed, and no fall in income classification. B. Compliance with the same requirements for creation, with an increase of income, decrease in population or land area of the LGUs concerned to less than minimum requirements prescribed, and a fall in income classification allowed. C. Compliance with the same requirements for creation, with reduction in income, decrease in population or land area of the LGUs concerned to less than minimum requirements prescribed, and no fall in income classification. D. Compliance with the same requirements for creation, with reduction in income, population, or land area of the LGUs concerned to less than minimum requirements prescribed, and a fall in income classification allowed. Answer, A. The LTOM states that the division and merger of existing LGUs shall comply with the same requirements as their creation, with the condition that such division shall not reduce the income, population, or land area of the LGUs concerned to less than the minimum requirements prescribed in the LGC, and the income classification of the original LGUs shall not fall below its current classification prior to such division. For soft copy of BCLTE Reviewer, subscribe and comment your email address below.